I'm Devanshi Baraskar and I welcome you to this episode of GHRC's News Desk, where we bring you the most inspiring and remarkable stories from the campus of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. From academic milestones and cultural celebration to student achievements and social initiative, we've got all the latest updates lined up for you. And now, let's dive straight into the top highlights of this month. 3 undergraduate programs, Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering and Electrical Engineering have proudly received NBA accreditation for 3 years. A cybersecurity and safety awareness session was held at GHRCE, Nagpur on October 15, 2025. The chief guest for the event was Shri S. Hrishikesh Reddy, IPS Deputy Commissioner of Police, Nagpur. The college witnessed the IEEE chapter installation and IEEE Day celebration, bringing together innovation and collaboration. A special session titled Empower Her. Self-defense through Taekwondo was conducted, encouraging strength and confidence among women students. The forum installation ceremony, Confluence 2025, was held on October 10th, making the beginning of another exciting year for student initiatives. RTMNU hosted a record-breaking singing competition on October 11th, 2025, in honor of Rashtrasant Tukaroji Maharaj. The event is set to make its mark in the Limca Book of Records. Vachan Prerna Divas was celebrated on October 15, inspiring students to embrace the joy of reading. And finally, a tree plantation drive was organized by the NSS Cell GHRCE at the Ambazari Biodiversity Park on October 4th. Now, on to the student achievements. Team Shunya secured 3rd place at IEEE Nagpur Web3 Hackathon. Team Black Diamond dominated the Tantra Fiesta 2025 RoboWars, winning dual championship. And in sports, an MBA student from GHRCE has been selected as the state team coach, a proud moment for the institute. Now, let's take a closer look at today's major highlights from GHRCE's campus. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering at GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur have been awarded an NBA accreditation for 3 years, recognizing their excellence in technical education and academic quality. This prestigious achievement reflects the department's strong commitment to the innovation, research and outcome-based learning. The accreditation underscores the dedicated efforts of faculty members and students maintaining the high academic standards, promoting industry-relevant skills, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Now, this milestone marks a proud moment for GHRCE, reinforcing its reputation as the premier institute for engineering education. On to the next. An expert talk on cybersecurity and safety awareness was organized on October 15, 2025. In the college auditorium. The event was a joint initiative with the NSS Cell, Student Representative Council, Faith Forum and Confluence Forum. The chief guest for the event was Shri S. Hrishikesh Reddy, IPS Deputy Commissioner of Police, Nagpur, who delivered an insightful address on the growing challenges of cyber threats and the importance of safe online behavior. He highlighted preventive measures and the role of enforcement in maintaining digital safety. API Shri Shankar Pandare shared real-life cases of cyber frauds, providing students with practical insights. Over 600 students attended the program, which was well organized under the guidance of Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director, GHRC, Nagpur. Now, moving on to the next, IEEE chapter celebration and IEEE Day celebration, which was successfully held at GHRC to mark the establishment of the IEEE Student Branch, Computer Society, Computational Intelligence Society, and Society on Social Implication of Technology. This event witnessed the presence of over 100+ participants, including faculty members and students. Dignitaries present included Dr. Lakshmi Thakre, Dr. Mangala Madankar, Dr. Achma Thomas, Professor Shraddha Umate and Dr. Prema Daigwani. The ceremony began with the lighting of the lamp and included an oath taking by the newly appointed chapter chairs, followed by a cake cutting to celebrate IEEE Day. This event fostered collaboration and beginning of an inspiring journey of innovation. Now, moving on to the next. Empower Her, Self-Defense through Taekwondo. The Department of Management Studies organized a special session on Empower Her, Self-Defense through Taekwondo. The program aimed to promote safety, confidence and empowerment among MBA girl students. It was conducted by Mr. Tenjikit Bongade, MBA first year student and university Taekwondo coach, who demonstrated practical self-defense techniques and guided students through hands-on practice sessions. Forum installation ceremony Confluence 25 and the badge distribution ceremony. It was held on October 10, 2025 in Seminary Hall G21. The ceremony began with the lighting of the lamp by Dr. Sonali Joshi, Dr. Kapil Jajulwar and Dr. Sanjeev Kumar. The forum name Confluence symbolizes the coming together of idea, creativity and leadership. Professor Ankita Bhandarkar, faculty coordinator, outlined the vision of Confluence 25, focusing on leadership development, innovation and social responsibility. Forum members were honored with badges and pledged to uphold the teamwork and integrity. The forum also introduced No Bag Day, promoting creative and stress-free learning. Now, on to the next. RTMNU hosts record-breaking singing competition honoring Rashtrasant Tukaroji Maharaj. Rashtrasant Tukaroji Maharaj, Nagpur University, made a grand singing competition on October 11, 2025, celebrating the music, culture and the young talent in the event. Minister of Road Transport Mr. Nitin Gadkari also joined, and the participation was witnessed with 6,000 plus participants. Now, this celebration of music honored the legacy of Rashtrasant Tukaroji Maharaj and highlighted RTMNU's commitment to cultural excellence. Moving on to the next, Vachan Prerna Divas was celebrated at GHRC on October 15, 2025 in the college library to honor the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The event encouraged students and faculty to embrace the joy of reading. Discussions were held on Dr. Kalam's life, his books Wings of Fire and Ignited Mind, and his vision of lifelong learning. The program concluded with a vote of thanks, emphasizing that knowledge and reading are the foundation of personal and national growth. Tree plantation at Ambaziri was taken place on October 4, 2025. The NSS cell of GHRC organized the tree plantation drive at the Ambaziri Biodiversity Park to promote environmental awareness and sustainability. Around 50 plus NSS volunteers participated in the event, planting trees and spreading the message of ecological balance. This activity was led by Green Club President Gracie Bure, coordinated by Mangesh Borkar, NSS Program Officer, with continuous support from Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director, GHRCE. The event successfully promoted environmental responsibility among the students. Up next, from the world of student achievements, Team Shunya secures third place at IIIT Nagpur Web3 Hackathon. Team Shunya from the Mechanical Engineering Department achieved third place in the 24-hour Web3 Hackathon at IIIT Nagpur's TechFest Tantra Fiesta. Their project Crypto Inheritance Protocol proposed a blockchain-based solution and secured inheritance of digital assets using same contracts and automated triggers. The team's innovation and technical expertise brought pride to GHRC and encouraged peers to explore cutting-edge technologies in the blockchain and digital systems. MBA student as the state coach of the state. The Department of Management Studies proudly announced that Mr. Tenjikit Bongade, MBA student, has been appointed as the coach of the Maharashtra State Government Team National Championship in Nagaland. His achievement in Taekwondo brings immense pride to the institute and serve as the inspiration to all the students. Congratulations to all the achievers, organizers and faculty members for making GHRC shine across academics, cultural and innovation. And that wraps the October 2025 edition of GHRC News Desk. It's been wonderful sharing the moments of pride and progress with you. Stay tuned for more inspiring updates and highlights straight from the campus of G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. Until next time, this is Devanshi Badaskar signing off, and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you and have a great day.